Hi everyone, I'm back and now today the idea is to introduce what is expected in terms of pedagogy, and I will try to do my best to answer to all the basic questions. Let's start. As you may know, for each teaching, you will have to read some part or some chapters of the book. The book has already been sent, I mean the reference of the book have already been sent to you in the syllabus. Anyway, I show you once again, the book is Manufacturing, Planning and Control for Supply Chain Management. You can find for sure the link for the book in the video description. And what is expected from you is first you read the chapter for the next teaching, then you come back to me in case you have a question, and for each teaching, I mean during each teaching, I will have a quick checking of if you have read or not this book. For sure, the grading will be a part of your final grade, and I will let you know in a few minutes. As you can notice in this part, and I'm sure you still know it, we have a different team inside the classroom, the red team and the blue team, and that means you will have to follow and respect the rules for each session. Even if you are online when the teaching is coming, you will have to be like in a classroom. That means I will check if everyone is here or not. If you check this board, I mean you got it during summer, you were expected to read 2 chapters for today. I'm not sure that everyone has done it, so for next time you will have to read all the chapters, I mean chap 1, chap 2 and chap 3, that means for the 24th of September. As you can notice, the midterm date is for the 22nd of October, and I will let you know with more details within this date, and maybe with the COVID-19 this date might change a little bit. I don't know yet, but anyway, keep in mind that on 22 we will have the midterm exam. Please note as well that on Saturday, 14th of November, we will have an online session. That means during this particular week, we will have one teaching in Paris on the 12th of November and an online session on 14th of November, and everyone will have to make this online session on Saturday. Regarding the grading, it's determined as follows. The class presentation for 10%, exercises and workshop, and for example, reading the books, 30%. The midterm will be 30% as well, and the final 30%. So reading the book is as important as the midterm, for example, or as important as the final exam. Presence is not a minor detail as well, because in case you have more than 2 absences, then you will fail the grade. So take care, and please note that I will check during every teaching that you are in the classroom or online. This is really important. Some basic rules. First, no computer and no mobile during the supply chain management teaching. In case you are more than 10 minutes late, it's half an absence. And in case you have more than 2 absences, then you fail the grade. As I told you, studying the book is not a minor detail, and I will check during each teaching if you have read or not. This is important to have the book with you each time we are in the classroom or each time you are online, because we will use it as much as possible. And for your reference, I don't send any PDF file or PowerPoint file. That means if you want to learn the supply chain, you need to take notes. This is really important, and that's why there won't be any computer and mobile during the SCM teaching.
Hello guys, I hope that you feel very well. Today I'd like to tell you that winter is coming. I don't know if you remember what does it mean, but if winter is coming, that means midterm are coming as well. I'm sure that you will ask me, oh sir, what will be inside the midterm case? And frankly speaking, my target is, to make it really easy. I mean, for the midterm, I will ask you to understand the basic concepts of the supply chain. So don't worry, it will be very efficient, it will be very easy, and please stay connected to this teaching, and I'm sure that it will be really easy to beat and to achieve the midterm. See you, bye.
For your information and regarding the small video you have seen a few minutes ago, the midterm won't be complicated. Even if in this teaching there's a lot of figures, the idea is to make it quite simple. If you listen during the teaching, if you study a little bit, the midterm exam should be really easy for you. And once again, it do not depend on me, but on you. And then your first assignment for the supply chain management teaching will be divided in two topics. The first one, you need for the 24th of September to read the chapter 1, 2, and 3 of the book. And then you have the mail address in front of you on the screen. You can send me a mail and just explain me what is your professional project after studying at American Business School. Thanks. Now I try to reply to all the questions you may have regarding this teaching. First, once again, you need to have the book and you need to read it. Second, do I send a PDF file or PowerPoint file? Never, never. That means I won't send you any file. You need to listen to me or you need to note, and in case for sure you have question, then you need to come back to me as soon as you can. There will be a rep system, a representative student, and then I will let him know in case I have some information to be given to you or not. And finally, the last question would be to know if there would be an extra midterm. Sometimes I do some extra, but the weight of the extra regarding the midterm is around 10% more regarding the grading, not more. Anyway, I hope that all is quite clear for you. I hope to see you soon in Paris, and have a good day. Bye.